control. In this project, 100 tons of simplified EM culture is being introduced into the site once every 4 days. After 4 months, solution to the smell problem seems to be in sight. 3 weeks have passed since the first EM introduction, with approximately 400 tons. At present, the bad smells have practically disappeared, and people can wash cars with and bathe in the water from the surrounding area. As for statistics, data from the project are still being compiled, which should be available soon. In these ways, EM is being used all around at present. Even though we human beings have received many blessings from our planet the Earth, we continue to destroy it. What will become of our home the Earth if this trend continues? As we become aware of even more areas in which we have abused the Earth, the fields where EM utilization is applicable will continue to grow. Perhaps there are areas in your community where EM could be used.